Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? I guess you are all doing great. We thank God for a beautiful day like this. You see your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare this special and delicious pepper and onion puff puff. My son said, "Mommy, prepare that my delicacy, my puff puff." I said, "Okay, don't worry. Before you go to school, I'll do it for you." So I'm here to do it now. On the table, I have what it takes to prepare this puff puff. I have my flour, I have my pepper. You can see I have different colors of pepper. I have the green, I have the red, and I have the yellow. I took out some seeds so it will not be very, very hot. But if you like something that is very hot, you can leave all the seed in yours. I have my chopped onions, milk, sugar, baking powder, salt, yeast. Then my flavors, I'm using vanilla and I'm using condensed milk flavor. Then of course our warm water, not too hot but lukewarm water. So let's do this. So first of all, I'm going to sieve in 3 cups of flour in my bowl. 3 cups of flour is equivalent to 500 grams of flour. So you have to sieve the flour because of any ants or particles that might be in the flour. If not, you are going to spoil your puff puff. So that is 1 cup. This is the 2nd cup. You have to level it. So this is the 2nd cup. Then the 3rd cup. So this is the 3rd cup I'm sieving. Yes, I'm done sieving. Now I'll add in the sugar. I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of sugar. But if you like sweet tooth, you can add more to yours. So I'm using 4. Then this baking powder here is ½ teaspoon. Then a pinch of salt. I have 2 tablespoons of milk here. Then I'm going to be adding just a drop of condensed milk. Then the vanilla, or add ½ tablespoon of vanilla because I want it to have very good flavor. So now we add in our yeast. I'm using the instant yeast. I like using this sachet yeast because when you open, you can seal it off. But if you use the one that is in a big pack, air might enter into it and it will lose its potency. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of yeast for this. Yeah, this is what I have there. Then I'll combine everything together before I start adding our warm water. Do not add boiling water because if you add boiling water, the potency of the yeast will be tarnished. So just warm water. You just be adding your water until it is okay, not too thick and not too watery. You just stir it in one direction. You can see what I'm having here. See what we have here. I just add a little more water. Then it's okay. I'm using a deep bowl because I don't want it to overflow when the batter doubles. That's why you can see there is deep in the bowl. So you can see what we are having here. This is consistency. I'm going to leave it to rise because if it is too watery, then you do not have that puff puff shape. When you put it in the oil, it will just flatten, and I don't want that. So I'll leave it like this. You can see how it is. See how it is. So now I'll add the onions. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of onions. Depends on the quantity you are making. You put the quantity of onion. So I'm going to put in the pepper now. You can see I took tiny peppers of Scotch bonnet pepper, the red, yellow and green. So I'll add it now. So I'll combine everything. I can perceive the hotness of this puff puff already. Please, if you have watched up till this moment, please subscribe, please share, please keep liking, follow me on Instagram and give the video a thumbs up. Please, I'm begging you to help your girl. Please. See what we have here now. It's not too thick, it's not too watery. So because I don't have enough time for it to rise, I'm going to get a bigger bowl, add in hot water, then I'll place this bowl of puff puff so that it will rise in the next 10 minutes. It's going to rise very well. So in the bowl here, I have warm water, not too hot too, and I'll place the bowl of puff puff like this, and the heat there will enable it to rise as fast as possible. You do this when you don't really have time. But if you do have time, leave it for like 1 hour, put it in your oven or in your microwave, or put it in a warm place and the batter will triple. So I'll just get a clean towel and cover it. So I'll leave it like this for the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I'm going to leave this like this for it to rise. So I'll see you guys later. So guys, this is 15 minutes after I left the bowl of batter in the hot water. So let's see what we have here. Guys, you can see it has doubled in size. So now I'll fry. It has doubled in size. So let's move to start frying. So I'm here now to start frying. You can see I just dropped some of the butter to know if the oil is hot, and from what you are seeing, the oil is hot now. So I will now start cutting the butter little by little in the hot oil. Depends on the size you want, you cut it that way. Then depends on the method, you know how to put yours in the oil, you do that way. So I'm just using the method that is so convenient for me. Please, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you to do that. If you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep sharing, keep liking, and follow me on Instagram, and turn on your bell so that you get new videos. So this will fry until it is golden brown. Then you line your sieve with a paper towel to absorb the extra oil that will come when you bring them out from the oil. You can fry this as a snack in the house. You can even start a business with this if you want to. But if you are doing more, you can now double the quantity of ingredients that I used. Let the oil not be too hot so the puff will fry in, because if the oil is too hot, the outer will fry while the inside won't fry. So just know how to gauge your heat. My kitchen is already the aroma in my kitchen now is something else, you know. I always like the smell of puff puff. So just keep turning like this so it will stay in one place, and then every other part of it will get fried. Oh, the aroma here is killing. Take this with a chilled bottle of soft drink or fresh juice It's so refreshing. A bowl of this puff puff doesn't last 10 minutes in my house because every person here likes eating my puff puff. You can try this and tell me what you feel in the comment section. Just keep stirring like I'm stirring now to make all evenly fried. You can see the colors on the puff. I can see green, I can see purple, I can see red, I can see yellow. If you know you cannot withstand heat, then remove some of the seed in yours. If not, you might not be able to take it. But me, I love some hotness in my puff puff and in my food. Guys, see our lovelies. So they are brown now, and I'll take them out. Remember to add a paper towel to your sieve so the extra oils can go out. Whoa, I'm so loving this. Try yours and thank me later. So I'll do this until I'm done with all the batter. So this is the last batch of our yummy onion and pepper puff puff. I'll take them out now and we are done. Keep liking, keep sharing, subscribe if you haven't, and give the video a thumbs up, please. I'm begging, help your sister. So I'll take them out now, and guys, we are done.